going on downtown? Does anybody know?
Okay, let's say you're having problems with like an O2 sensor or some kind of electrical connection like the O2 sensor has. Possibly a mass airflow sensor. So again, you'll take a tool like this, you unplug it. This plug has locks and then more locks. First you're going to unsnap and pull out, remove this plastic piece which locks the clips. Okay. Then you take this lock, whichever one will fit, generally this one. Let's see, maybe not that one. Okay, it's that one. You'll unlock it, slide it out. Now if you have to replace a wire, or you want to make sure this connector piece is not opened up and not making contact, you can actually close this back up with needle nose pliers or something if you need to. And check for resistance on it. Ohm it out. Make sure you clip on somewhere else down the wire and you ohm it out. Simply when you're done, slip it back, push it until it locks. You can see it's flush with all the others. They're all flush. It don't pull out. And you put your lock back in. There you go. Hope this helps you.